Hello, welcome to Mr. B's Bonsai Garden. My name is Robot Brandon Besserer aka Robot Mr. B. My furnace is too loud, so today I'm using an AI voice instead. My god, this voice sounds like the voice of a serial killer. Hold on just a second.
Okay, that's better. Ha ha ha. Well, I guess we should get started. Hey DJ, how about a smooth tempo and royalty-free jazzy number to help with the mood?
You've got it, Robot Mr. B, coming right up.
Thanks. Well, we've probably wasted enough time. The first tree is this 2-year-old bougainvillea. As you can see, the tree is growing unevenly. We'll need to cut back this branch in order to restore balance to the tree. Here goes nothing. With all of that energy going into one branch, the rest of the tree will suffer. You're welcome, tree. What do we have next? Yikes! It's a bougainvillea cutting that is losing its way before it even knows which way it should be heading in the first place. I will likely straighten it out like this in the spring, but for now, I'm going to prune it for the first time. I know the trees in today's video are young, but I need to try to get them whipped into a more presentable shape by spring. Since they will need the most time, I like to start with the ugliest ones first. At least this tree's branch structure is off to a good start. All it needs now is more time. And more pruning. And more time. Next up is this young ficus. It has only had its own set of roots for mere months, and yet, it's trying to stretch itself to be as wide as a tree of many years, and ain't nobody got space for that. And we need to encourage more branches. There. Hey DJ, how about you hit me with a funky fresh and royalty-free beat, yo?
You got it.
Thank you. Now where was I? Ah, yes. I was just pointing out the unique flow of the trunk that this young cutting is already providing. I will try to utilize and improve on this feature in the years to come. If it's not broke, don't fix it. This kumquat cutting is trying to grow a second trunk, instead of appreciating the one it already has. Some people never realize all they have to be grateful for, and this greedy little cutting is no different. A bit of humbling will do it some good. It will thank me when it gets older. This ficus looks like it only goes to the gym on arm day. You can see that the apex of the trunk has barely grown, and the first 2 branches are running faster than Forrest Gump with a brand new box of chocolates. This can be okay for a tree as young as this, because we haven't begun styling it yet. Sometimes a branch will be a better choice for the trunk, and sometimes the trunk will be better off as a branch. But for today, I'm just trying to restore balance to these trees so we will have more options in the spring. This poor little ficus cutting has no character. If I don't intervene soon, it will likely be doomed to a life of mediocrity and self-regret. Perhaps a complete makeover will help to lift its spirits. Let's wire it up and see what we can come up with. I don't apply the wire too tightly, because there is no need to, and I can't stand the sight of wire scarring, which can and will occur when wire is applied too tightly and left for too long wrapped around the bark. If I wanted this tree to have scars, I would just tell it was its fault that his father left. I'm just going to bend it until I find a more interesting look. We'll leave it like this, for now. This olive cutting would be perfect if the endgame was telephone pole or runway model, but I like my olives short and thick. Much better. Oh my, this Chinese elm cutting has fallen, and it can't get up. On top of that, it has no branches. I'll just prune it and revisit it in the spring. Hopefully it will do the right thing, and make me proud. Here we have another Chinese elm, but this one is off to a better start. I'm just going to shorten the branches for now. I'll start by removing the branches that are pointing straight upwards, because they look about as presentable as wearing socks and sandals to a job interview. Now we'll take the branches back. I don't like the apex. There. Not a bad start. The last tree is an avocado. My daughter watched a video on TikTok and then proceeded to challenge me to see who could grow a better avocado tree from seed. What was she thinking? I can't show you her avocado tree, because the only thing her seed grew was mold. Ha ha ha. I'm just going to clip the top, to try to encourage it to branch out. Well, that's all I have for today. Thanks for watching.